Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our first chapter, recap of first chapter is going on. So, 2 days you have done number system, periods of number, how to distribute the numbers according to their places or positions, and place value and face value. So today I am going to take a small class test of the topics under the topics I will give you some questions to solve, and you have to solve that questions in your rough copy only. So from this I will be able to know that you are understanding the topics which I am explaining. So take out your rough copy. First I will explain you the questions which I am going to give here. Then you will do the same questions in your rough copy, and after solving it you will click the picture of that and you will send it on your WhatsApp group. If you will face any problem regarding any question, so you can ask me. Now children, let's start. First I will explain you, then you have to do the questions. Now first I will explain you the topics which we have discussed, है ना? Then I will give you the class test. So first of all we have discussed about 5-digit number. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999 and the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. 6-digit number, the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999 and the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. 7-digit number, the greatest 7-digit number is 99,99,999 and the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. After that we have discussed about the periods, that a number is separated into groups are called periods. There are 2 periods, ones period and thousand period. Ones period contains ones, tens and hundreds. Thousand periods contains thousands and 10,000. Suppose that if the number is given 53,261, so 261 will be in ones period and 53,000 will be in thousands period. Okay. Then we have discussed about that how to arrange numbers in periods. For an example, the number is given 45,264. We have to arrange these numbers in column. So how we will arrange it? First of all, we will make 2 columns of period, ones period and thousand periods. Then under ones period 3 columns will be made, ones, tens and hundreds. Under thousands period 2 columns will be made, that is thousands and 10,000. Now we have to write the number. At the position of ones we will write 4. At the position of tens we will write 6. At the position of hundreds we will write 2. At the position of thousands we will write 5. At the position of 10,000 we will write 4. Then what we will read it? We will read it as 45,264, or we can write the number name also 45,264. Okay. Now face value and place value. The face value of a digit is the digit itself irrespective of its place, while the place value of a digit depends on its place or position in the number. For example, the number is given 74,198. We have to tell the place and face value of 7 here. So place value will be its position, that is 10,000. So the place value of 7 will be 70,000 and face value will be 7. Clear? Now I am going to explain you the class test. Listen it carefully and then you have to solve that in your rough copy. Now this is your class test. I will send the picture of it on WhatsApp. You can see these questions from there and you have to solve it. So first I am going to explain these questions. Question number 1 is write the greatest 6-digit number. You have to write the greatest 6-digit number in this question. Question number 2, you have to write the tables of 4 and 5. So children, tables you will write in full form as 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. 4 ones are 4. So you have to write the tables of 4 and 5 in this question number 2. Then question 3 is what is the smallest 7-digit number? You have to write the smallest 7-digit number in this question number 3. These are the 3 questions. Then question number 4 is write the number names. So what you will do for writing the number names? First you will write the amount for 56, 56, 712. Then you will write the place value of the numbers. So 2 will come at ones, 1 will come at tens, 7 will come at hundreds, 6 will come at thousands and 5 will come at 10,000. So 56,712 will be the number name of question number A. So same as you have to do question number B, C, D and E. Question number A is I have told you. Question number B 73209, C 26732, D 41260, E 54921. So for these numbers you have to write the number names in question number 4. Now question number 5. Write the face and place value of underlined digit. The digits are underlined here. You have to write the face and the place value of the underlined digit. You can see question number 1 or A 91,234. So for writing the place value you have to write the places of the numbers. So the underlined digit here is 4. So you have to write the face and place value both of 4. Question B is 62310. The underlined digit is 6 here. So you have to write the face and place value of 6. Question number C 29314. Here the underlined digit is 9. So you have to write the face and the place value of 9. Question number D is 36,422. Underlined digit is 4 here. So you have to write the face and place value of 4. Question number E 41216. Underlined digit is 1. So you have to write the face and the place value of 1. So this is your class test. I will send you the picture of this on your WhatsApp. So you will solve these questions from there. Now your today's homework is you have to learn the table of 6 and 7. Okay, you have to learn the table of 6 and 7 in your homework. Thank you and have a nice day, children.